Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. Our today's video is about the Pocket FM app not working on iPhone. So let us look at the steps to resolve this. Firstly, we need to reinstall the application. This can be done by long pressing on the application and then clicking on delete. This would uninstall the app. Now go back to the App Store and search for the app name and reinstall it again. This would clear any software glitches or make sure that the updated version of the app is installed. The second step is to clear the cache of the app. For this, you need to tap on settings and then you need to scroll down to general. Then click on iPhone storage. Once you see iPhone storage, search for the application, click on the application and then click on offload app. This would free up storage used by the app and other data. So after reinstalling, the app might start working properly. The third step is a normal software update of your phone. For this, go to the settings and then tap on general and click on software update. The having the phone updated to its latest version would clear any bugs and software glitches and allow the application to work properly. The very last step is to restart your iPhone. For this, long press the volume up or volume down button simultaneously with the power button until a slider appears on the screen. Slide to turn off the phone and then restart the phone after a few minutes. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.